teacher. I don't listen. Teacher say.
Okay. Hi, ciao. That one.
Hi, teacher.
How are you today?
Me open Zoom.
No. Wait. You will say I, not me. I open.
I open Zoom. It's in 5 o'clock half past.
Oh, very early? Oh, are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, wait, Chow. You know what? We almost ended our class. We only have three lessons left. Three.
Text?
Three. We only have 3 lessons left. And it will be finished. It will be done. 3 lessons more. Okay, please.
Answer.
I don't understand. Okay, here, wait for a while. I will share first the lesson. Hi, Chow.
Yeah, teacher.
Oh, it's dancing. Okay, Chow. Hi, Chow. Yeah. Okay. So do you still remember our assignment? Our homework.
Yeah. Next.
Okay. This is the assignment lesson.
What's that?
Okay, look at this one. Do you still remember hobby?
Yes.
Yeah.
I taking homework.
Do you understand hobby?
Yes. I understand.
What is hobby?
Happy is here.
The hobby is the one you like. The one you like. Okay? When we say hobby, it's the one you like. Okay? Okay? How about sport? You know sport?
What? Your sport.
Okay, I will. Favorite. You know favorite?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see here. Your father's favorite sport or hobby? Your father's favorite sport or hobby? Your father's favorite sport. What is your favorite sport? Do you understand?
Yes.
Oh, the favorite sport of your father. Do you understand, child?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, tell me.
Your father?
Father's, yeah, father's favorite sport. You understand?
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Okay, next. A hobby your mother does not like. What is the hobby that your mother does not like? What is that?
Teacher.
Yes.
Me Ryan number one.
No. Do not say me. I. Always don't say me. I. Always. Ciao. Do not say me. Me is wrong. You will always say I. Okay?
Your
Okay.
father's what?
Your
Your
father's
father's
favorite sport.
see
Your father's favorite sport.
favorite
Sport. Okay. Next.
your father favorite sport
Okay.
is
What's the favorite sport of your father? Sport.
your father favorite sport
Yes.
is your father favorite sport is football.
Oh, very good. Number 2, a hobby your mother does not like. A hobby your mother does not like.
A mother doesn't like
Oh yeah, your mother doesn't like what? Okay. What is your mother's? My mother does not like what?
a mother doesn't like is single.
Your mother does not like to sing. Not singer, sing. My mother does not like to sing. Yeah, my mother does not like to sing. Your mother. My mother does not like to sing. Okay, here. Your mother does not like to sing? Three. What's number 3?
3. A sport family likes
A
is
sport your family watch on TV. What sport that your family watch on TV?
a
What sport
sport
that your family watch on TV? Give me the other small one. I think that one. The other onan. What sport your family watch on TV? What sport?
here teacher.
What's that? Okay. It is not the sport. Look at teacher. The sport that not your, that you use my chow because you talk. You are the one talking, okay? The sport because you are the one talking, not me. The sport that my family likes to watch on TV is, you write this one, copy. Right, is
Football.
football. Okay. Next, number 4. What's number 4 question? Number 4. Something your family members like to do together. Something your family members like to do together. What?
Something your family
Members
member like is
like to do together. Like your mom and your dad.
something I write is something your family member
Not your, my. You will see my.
Family
Likes.
member likes is.
Okay. Something my family members like to do together is. Okay. Let's check and then after you copy the answer, okay?
To do. Teacher, to do.
To do. Something my family members like to do together. Okay, where is that? Something my family members like to do together is cheese house. What is cheese house?
It's fish horse.
What's
Fish
that?
horse.
A game?
Yeah, I draw.
Yeah, okay.
No. Yeah. Yeah. Mom. Yeah. Your teacher.
Hi.
Your teacher.
Hello.
Here. In the green, blue, red, yellow.
What's that for? It is for food. It's not a food. Sports. It's a sport.
Teacher is answer cheese. Cheese.
Cheese.
CHEES.
Wait. CH.
EES.
Chess. Chess. Playing chess. You understand playing chess?
Yes.
Something my family members like to do together is playing chess. Okay, next.
2P. 2P.
Yeah, it's 2P. Playing chess. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, can you write this in the notebook? You write.
I write here.
Yeah, you write in the notebook. In the notebook,
Yeah.
Chow.
I write.
Done?
I write in the outside.
Done? Done writing this one.
Okay.
This one, you done writing?
Okay.
Finish?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Something my family members like to do together is playing chess. Okay. Your family play chess. Okay.
Erase. Back. Bye. I erase. I'm a teacher. Right.
Okay, done? Done now? Done? Okay, done, Chow?
Yeah, it's done.
Erase. I will erase.
You erase.
Okay. So, Chow, do you understand this? Chow, look at
Yes.
teacher.
Yes.
Your father's favorite sport or hobby is football. A hobby your mother doesn't like. My mother does not like singing. Sing. You understand? Singing,
Yeah.
sing. Okay. A sport your family watch on TV is football. Again. Number 4, something your family members like to do together.
Like to do
Playing chess.
playing chess horse.
Oh, not the horse only, the chess. Okay, do you understand? Yeah, okay. Now let's move.
Chess horse.
Chess horse. Okay, you understand?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay, very good. Okay, I will share the lessons. This is only part of a short. Here, look at this one. Okay, here, look at teacher. Okay, look and read. Choose the correct words and write them on the lines. Okay. Which picture show people working? Which picture show people working? Which pictures? This one pic that show people working, that people works. Example, driver. Okay, that example. What are others? Pick pictures.
Playground.
Yeah. No, just tell to teacher. Tell teacher.
Which pictures show people working?
Which picture show people working? Work. One example, driver. Driver is working.
Driver, no. Okay, number 2.
Okay, what else? Aside from driver, what are in the pictures only that work? Who are working in the pictures?
Driver.
Oh, driver. Another. Driver. What else? Who else? Who else in the picture? Who?
A nurse.
Who else?
A nurse.
Nurse. Very good. A nurse and a driver. Very good. Next. Which places can you see? Which places can you see?
A party.
Which places can you see? Which?
Party.
Party? Okay. A playground and a hospital. A playground and a hospital. These are the places that you can see. Playground. Okay. You can see a playground, right? Okay. You can see a hospital, right? You can see the... Yeah, yes, you can. Which things can you see? Which things can you see? Things.
No. It's picnic and movie.
Okay. Movie and picnic. Okay. You can see in the movie and picnic.
Four.
Okay. Okay, now look at this one. Look at this one. Okay, you understand this? Understand? You understand, Chow?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. Okay, listen. Movie and film, they are the same. The same. Movie, it's English. American English. Movie. Movie, it's American English. Film, it's British English. Okay. Okay, understand. Movie,
Yes.
it's American English. Film, it's British English. Do you understand, Chow? You understand,
Yes.
Chow? Very good,
Yes.
Chow. Okay. Okay, look at this picture and answer. Answer this, Chow. Wait for a while. Answer this, answer. Oh, wait, what happened? Okay, here, look at this one. Look at the pictures, Chow. Look at the pictures and choose the correct words and write them on the lines. Look at the pictures here, the pictures, look at and choose, okay? Okay.
Person take different legs call. Oh no, oh no.
Okay, you write it properly, Chow. Okay, tell me if you're done.
Okay.
Okay, here.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, number 1. You read number 1.
This is person can talk. You do different place
Chow, chow.
in the car.
Take. This person
So,
can take.
take you to different place in the car. A driver. A
Okay,
driver.
very
Oh,
good. Number 2.
Yeah.
Number 2, chow.
People invite
Invite.
their friend to this on their birthday. It's party.
It is
A party.
a
A party.
Yeah. Number 3, you read.
You can see they at the cinema on the DVD on computer.
What's the answer?
Movies.
Movies. Number
Movies.
5.
Oh no. Sure.
5,
I
chow.
write here. I write and I read.
Yeah, 5, chow.
Of
5, chow. Number 5, chow. You read.
Peter. Peter.
Yes. Many doctor work at this place. What's your answer?
Skate. Skate.
What's your answer?
Skate.
Many doctors work in this place. Who work in this place? It's a place, not a things. Okay, number 4, very good, hospital. Number 5, children can run and climb outside. It is a playground. Look at this one. The children are playing in the playground. 6, this person takes your temperature when you are not well. Person. For a while, John. Person.
Kindness.
For a while. Okay. So, children can run and climb outside here. They can run and climb outside. Run and climb outside. Okay. Playground is the answer. Playground. Next. This person takes your temperature when you are sick. Who is that?
A penis.
Person. It is a person who takes temperature when you are not good, when you are not well, when you are sick. Who is that person?
Person.
Okay, this
Nurse.
person takes your
Nurse.
temperature.
Nurse.
Put it here.
Nurse.
Okay, let's see. They will put it here like that. And then, oh, you have, okay, nurse, very good. Do you understand, Chow?
Yes.
Okay, you understand now?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, we will continue our lesson on, not yet, wait for a while, sorry. Sorry, Chow. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, now here, teacher, and do you understand this, Chow? You understand? Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, can you read again? This person.
The person can talk you to
Take
you to different places in the car.
It's a
You can people invite their friend to this birthday.
on their birthday. What is that? The answer is
Movie.
no. The answer is number 2. What's the answer? The answer is
Party.
party. Number 3. Read and answer. Read and answer. You can
see there at the cinema on a DVD or computer. It's a movie.
Very good. Movie. Next. Many doctors work at this place.
Work at this place. It's a hobby.
It's a
Hospital.
It's not
Children can run and play.
Chow. It's not hospital. Chow. It's not hospital. It's hospital. Hospital. Again.
Hospital.
Letter S.
Yes.
Hospital. Again. One more, Chow.
It's a hospital.
Okay. Number 5. Can you read number 5?
Yeah, I'm reading number 5. I'm reading number 5.
Okay, you read number 5.
This person checks your temperature when you are well. What's that?
Children can run and climb outside here. The answer is?
I read. Yo.
Playground. Number 6. Again, read again number 6.
The person takes your temperature when you are well.
Okay. This person takes place when you are unwell. You're not okay. You are sick. What's the answer?
Nurse.
It's the nurse. Okay. It's the nurse who take the answer.
What
happened? It's the nurse who take the injection when you are sick. Okay, I have questions here, Chow. Chow, answer my question, okay?
Okay.
What was the last birthday you went into? Have you been to the birthday party?
Birthday me in the 7 and
Yes.
May.
What was the last birthday party you went to? It's a birthday? What was the last? Did you go to the party? Did you go to the party?
No. In
Ah,
the home.
in the home only, teacher. Next. What's your favorite movie?
I know answer number 2.
Number 2, what's your favorite movie?
I know answer.
Okay. Your favorite movie is? You like Spider-Man? No. Okay, number 3. What food and drink do you like?
What food and drink you? I like mango.
It's mango. It's
Mango.
mango. It's mango
Mango.
fruit.
Mango.
Fruit.
Mango fruit and drink is ring.
Number 3. Is someone in your family a dentist?
Milk.
Number
Then Peter is a big office.
Okay. What's the name of the nearest hospital? Near hospital in your place.
Oh,
What's the name of the nearest hospital? It is big or small?
Hospital. Đức Giang Hospital.
Oh. And what is someone in your family a dentist?
Yeah.
Very
And
good.
home. Đức Giang is grandma me in the hospital. Me hospital in the home.
Oh, yeah. Okay, look at this one, Chow. This is the last activity. Answer this one. Chow, Chow. You answered A, B, and C. Answer.
What?
Ate, kuha isa kong tubig, ate.
Sometimes when you are not naughty. Nào mình làm.
Sometimes when you are not, thỉnh thoảng khi mà bạn không
No.
Okay. Sometimes when you are not blank, and your body is blank, you have a temperature. You are not, you pick hot, well, or cold.
Temperature.
Temperature, use when you have fever, when you are sick, it will put in here. Oh, what's the fever? You have fever, like that. You will put it here and, oh, you have fever, you are sick. Temperature is for, this is for fever. Okay, you are sick. Okay, sometimes when you are not blank, hot, well, cold, your body is blank, you have a temperature. Okay, what do you have answer, or teacher will answer?
When
Tôi
you
không, thỉnh thoảng bạn không,
khi mà bạn
Here.
và người
This
bạn.
one, Chow.
Body là gì? Body là người, cơ thể. Và tôi không
Là gì?
và cơ thể.
Okay. I will tell the answer. Look at here. Well and heart. Look at teacher. Listen to teacher. Sometimes when you are not well, not okay, well is not okay, and your body is hot, you have a temperature. Okay. Do you understand? If you are sick, you know what is sick, Chow? Sick. Chow. Chow, you know what is sick?
I
That
know.
one. You understand? Sick.
I know.
Sick, sick.
I know.
You know, or you don't know.
I don't know.
Okay. Okay. Example is sick. Listen to teacher. Example sick. Here, listen. Sick is stomach. Okay. Stomach ache. You know stomach ache?
No.
Oh, yeah. I hear. I got stomach ache. My stomach is very bad. I've got stomach ache. Okay, here.
I know nên người ta lại tự nhiên hiểu. Không biết cái gì nữa.
không hiểu thì I don't understand. Còn I now know là biết đấy, tôi biết.
It is a condition that sick. Okay. Your tummy is sick. Where's your tummy? Here. Your tummy is sick. Chow. Chow. Look at the teacher. Look at teacher. You will tell teacher, I don't understand. Okay? I don't understand. You will say that. Okay? You understand stomach ache? You understand stomach ache? Tummy. Where's your tummy? Where's your tummy? Stand up. Stand up, teacher. Look at teacher. Tummy. Tummy. This is my tummy, my stomach. It is sick. Like that. It is sick. Okay, look at here. You understand, Chow?
Chữ bụng ở đây là nào xem chữ S và chữ chưa chỉ stomach thôi. Là chữ chỉ stomach.
Đau bụng. Okay, Chow? Chow. You understand? Đau bụng.
Yes.
Đau bụng.
Yes.
Stomach ache. Okay. So, yeah. Sometimes when you are not well, you are not okay. You're not okay. Chow, not okay. And your body is hot, very hot. You need temperature. You need something like this. It will put here, and the nurse will tell you, oh, you are sick. Like that. Do you understand, teacher? You understand?
Yes.
I understand, teacher. Again, you understand, teacher? Chow, Chow. Look at me. You understand? Okay, you understand?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Number 2. Can you answer number 2?
Ở đấy đâu?
What is the answer for number 2? When your mom has a blank headache, you know headache? Headache. Yeah. Sick. The head is sick. Headache. You understand? When your mom has a blank headache, your head is sick.
Hiểu không đã?
Okay? It is a good idea to be very blank at home. Again, when your mom has a blank headache, sick in the head, headache, you know headache? Yeah, in your head. In your head. Headache, child. You understand headache, child? You understand headache? Headache. You understand?
Yes.
Your head is sick.
In the head.
Head. Your head. Your head is very sick.
Sorry. Sorry, teacher.
Hello?
Yeah, because when I asked Châu what the meaning of the headache in Vietnamese, she said that headache is mean brain inside the head.
Ah, okay. So, yeah. Okay.
Yes, yes, you understand.
Headache here. Headache, it's not the brain inside. Here in your head. Here. This one. Your head. Oh, where's your head? Okay, Chow Chow, where's your head? Where is your head? Head. This is your head? Oh, where is, oh, that is your head. Do you understand? You understand, teacher? No, again. Yeah. Where is your head? Show me your head. This one. Oh, that is your head. When your head is sick, you have headache. Ciao. Oh, look. Listen to teacher. Listen. Look at me. Where is your head? Okay, show me your head.
The head.
Head. Show me your head. This one. Point your head. This one. Head. Right? Not the brain. Head. Yeah. That is your head. Head. When your head is sick, you do like that. Sick. That is headache. Yeah, you do like that. Okay. Headache. It's đau đau. Headache. Đau đau. Yeah. Head. Your head. Do you understand head? Cháu? Oh, đau đau. Yeah, that's đau đau. Headache. Okay. So when your head is sick, that is headache, not brain. Brain is different from head. This is your head. My head, my shoulder. My head, my shoulder. This is your head. When your head is sick, you have headache. Do you understand, child?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, you understand headache now.
No.
You understand headache? Child, you understand headache? Look at teacher. You understand headache?
She said that headache is
A
head.
brain. Hello?
Brain. Head.
She thought that headache is a brain? No.
No, she said that headache is head.
Okay. Child, do you understand headache? Do you understand, teacher? Do you understand? You tell teacher. You tell teacher. You tell me. Tell me. You understand or no? You don't understand? You don't understand? You understand, teacher? Okay, Chow, you understand, teacher? Okay, Chow, listen, teacher. Listen to me. Your head, okay, your head, this is your head, right? This is the head, right? Right? Okay, head. When your head is sick, that is what we call headache. Okay, when your tummy is sick, that is stomach ache. Okay, wait here.
Đau đầu. Đau. Sick là gì biết không? Sick là gì?
Headache. When your stomach
Ốm.
or tummy
Bạn đau đầu. When your head is sick.
stomach ache.
When your stomach là cái bụng. Sick. Cái bụng, cái ốm, cũng như đầu bụng.
Okay, you understand, Chow?
Yes.
Okay, do you understand now?
Đau đầu.
Okay, teacher Ann will tell you one sentence. I will make. I have headache. I'm not feeling well. I am sick. I have headache. 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 When I say I have stomach ache, my tummy is not good. I am sick. Okay, do you understand? Ciao.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Ciao, you
Okay.
understand? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I will wait for a while. I'll be here. Do you understand now? Ciao?
Yes.
Okay, like this. Okay, so it's not working properly. So it's not working. Okay, so you understand headache and stomach ache. Do you understand? Okay,
Yes.
I will tell the answer here. When your mom has a bad headache, it's a good idea to be very quiet at home. You know the word quiet? Silent. That's quiet. You understand? Do you understand? Okay.
Yes.
So when your mom has a bad headache, the head is not good, not well, you are sick, it's a good idea to be very quiet. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Number 3. Can you try to answer number 3? Can you try to answer number 3? Look at number 3. Be blank when you are hungry. Tony ate 5 chocolate ice cream on Sunday. And then he had a blank stomach ache. Okay. Oh, be careful. Be careful when you are hungry. Okay. Be careful when you are hungry. Oh, be careful when you are hungry. Tony ate 5 chocolate ice cream on Sunday, and then he had a blank hit stomach ache. What's that? Blank? The answer is terrible. Look at terrible stomach ache. Terrible. Very bad. Terrible means very bad. Very bad stomach ache. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Chow, we will continue our lesson on when? On what on? We will continue tomorrow. Okay? Tomorrow we will continue our lesson tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
We will continue this, and please tell teacher Ann, please tell me if you understand or not. Okay? Okay.
Okay.
You understand headache now. Do you understand headache now? Stomach ache. You understand?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Ciao, ciao. Okay, ciao. See you tomorrow. Okay. Oh, smile. You smile now. Oh, you're stressed? You are stressed? Hmm? You smile?
Bye.
Okay, bye, ciao. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye, teacher.
See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.